In this video, I will show you how to turn on your Oura ring. Now, this is actually very easy, so let's get started. Now, first of all, we need to tap on the Oura ring app. So open the app and here you will see your data. Now, it is very important that your Oura ring is charged. So go to the top right corner of your screen and tap on that little ring icon on the right of the share icon. As you can see, ring connected, and you can see the battery level over here. So battery level is at 98% for me, but what is very important is that this is not zero. Also, once your ring is charged, you will need to go and turn on your Bluetooth. So what you need to do is you need to go to the Bluetooth settings of your phone, and then just make sure your Oura ring is connected with Bluetooth. So make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and it is connected with the app. And that is basically it. That is how you can turn on your Oura ring. If it's still not popping up and there is no fix, you can of course always contact the Oura ring support and they will maybe even send you a new one if they can't fix it either. So I hope this video was helpful, and if this was the case, please subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.